Hello everyone, my name is Sanjay Thakur. I am the student of JNKV College of Agriculture, Riva. Today present my topic hybrid seed production of maize in the guidance of Dr. R.P. Joshi sir. Whole structure of maize, tassel, cob, husk, silk and seed. Seed production. Hybrid seed production in maize involve two parents to produce following types of inverts. Single cross. Hybrid seed produced by controlling crossing between two selected inverts A cross B. Double cross. Hybrid seed produced by crossing between two certified single cross A cross B cross C cross D. Recommended isolation distance for seed production program of hybrid and its parent contaminants. Maize with same kernel color and texture, isolation distance, foundation seed and certified seed 400, 400 and 200. Maize with different kernel color and texture 600, 600 and 300. Field of same invert hybrid seed production not confirming MSCS 400, 400 and 200. Field of other hybrid having common male parent confirming MSCS 5, 5. Field of other hybrid having common male parent non-confirming MSCS 400 and 200. Field of other hybrid having different parent 400 and 200. Planting ratio. Optimum planting ratio of seed and pollinator parent for production of hybrid and male sterile seed is 2:6 female. Seed rate. 12 kg seed of seed parent and 5 kg seed of pollinator is sown in 1 hectare field with 70 cm row to row and 22.5 cm plant to plant spacing. Staggering. Normally both the parent flowered at the same time, but in some hybrid 7 days staggering is required for synchronization of flower. Proper stage of tassel for detasseling. Method. Hold the stem below the root leaf in left hand and the base of the vessel in right hand and pull out in a single pull. Grasp entire tassel so that all the pollen parts are fully removed. Do not break or remove leaf, as remove will reduce yield and will result in lower quality of seed. Rogging. So rogging be done periodically based on position of cob, color of silk, arrangement of seed in cob, leaves, etc. Shedding tassels are to be removed in rog. It refers to the tassel in female parent row shedding pollen or that has shed pollen in hybrid maize plots. During field inspection, a tassel whose main spike or any side branch or both have shed pollen or shedding pollen in more than 5 cm of branch length is counted as a shedding tassel. During inspection, the shedding tassel are taken into count for acceptance or rejection of production plot. Field standard percentage of type foundation seed 0.2%, certified seed 0.5%, setting tassel 0.5% and 1.0%, when receptive silk is 5% or more. Field standard specific factors of type setting pollen when 5% or more of seed parent is receptive silk, certified stage percent 0.5%. Seed parent shedding pollen when 5% of the seed parent is having receptive silk 1%. Total of pollen shedding tassel including tassel that had cell pollen for all three inspections counted during flowering on different dates 2%. Of type in seed parent in final inspection 0.5%. Number of inspections 4. 1 before flowering, 3 during flowering. Harvest when the moisture content fall to 20 to 25%. Harvest male first and remove from the field and then harvest female. Threshing. Dehusking. The husks are removed manually. Cob sorting. Removal field diseased cob and cobs having kernel color variation. Grading. Grade the seed using 1864 7.28 mm sieve. Seed treatment. Slightly treat the seed with 8% moisture content either with Captain or Thyram 75% WP at the rate 70 gram per 100 kg with 0.5 liter of water. Treated seed can be stored for 1 year in cloth bag. Seed yield 2.5 to 3.6 ton per hectare. Thank you.